Ethereum has been showing bullish price action for the past weeks, with more buying pressure and high staking of Ethereum by validators of the Ethereum blockchain. How bullish can Ethereum be? Can Ethereum finally reach $3,000? In today's video, I will walk you through the factors that can potentially set Ethereum rallying and show you the right time to buy Ethereum. So stay tuned to take advantage of this.
Crypto is out there.
For the past years, when the Ethereum blockchain was proof of work, all Ethereum validators who staked Ethereum on the Ethereum blockchain were unable to withdraw any of their Ethereum or even their profits because Ethereum staking was a one-way street, with Ethereum allowing only staking and no withdrawal of staked tokens. Due to the nature of the staking, Ethereum underwent multiple upgrades to allow Ethereum validators to withdraw their Ethereum tokens. Ethereum was employing the proof-of-work method long before the Ethereum merge, but the plans to transition had been in the works for several years when developers built the beacon chain. Ethereum blockchain, like any other proof-of-stake blockchain, requires validators to guarantee its integrity and allow it to function and carry out transactions and smart contracts as planned. As a result, anyone who is interested in the future of Ethereum 2.0 staked 32 ETH to safeguard the beacon chain. Validators received interest in their ETH as a reward for preserving the network at this stage of development. The Shanghai Chapella upgrade has enabled Ethereum validators who have staked their Ethereum to be able to unstake and withdraw their Ethereum. In an everyday sense, this would have caused many people to withdraw their stake. Yet, while some withdrew their Ethereum, many more people staked. Many crypto investors now trust Ethereum, knowing that they will be able to withdraw their staked Ethereum. This caused many people to buy and stake more Ethereum, showing how confident they have now in Ethereum.
As of last week, more than $35 billion of Ether, which was frozen in the long-term staking program, could have been withdrawn, and yet holders of only $1.67 billion worth of Ether initially requested to withdraw their crypto. That's according to data from Nansen. What does that show you?
That does show me that actually people are still quite confident in Ether as an asset and in the chain and the future of the chain.
As more people buy and stake Ethereum, the more the buying pressure causes Ethereum price to increase while reducing supply, a net positive action to cause Ethereum to rally. Can only buying and staking of Ethereum push the price to $3,000? Stay tuned to find out. Subscribe to the channel and put on notifications so that you can catch all of our educational, analytical, and exclusive crypto videos that will enhance your crypto knowledge.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Because it is paired with the US dollar, Ethereum, like Bitcoin, is affected by changes in interest rates in the US economy. According to Ethereum's price history, Ethereum does well in low interest rate environments but poorly in high interest rate environments. This means that even simple speculation about interest rate cuts can cause Ethereum to surge. In 2022, the Federal Reserve Bank was required to reduce inflation to their near-term inflation rate of 2% to maintain the US dollar's role as the world's reserve currency. As a result, they needed to limit the money supply in the economy, and the most excellent tool for doing so was to raise interest rates rapidly. This resulted in a high interest rate, and practically all risky assets plummeted. When inflation data was revealed at the beginning of 2023, it showed that inflation was reducing and Ethereum rallied.
Is that the coin? The coin?
Inflation rates fell to 5% year-on-year in March, according to March inflation figures. This is fantastic news because when inflation declines, the Federal Reserve will stop raising interest rates and may begin cutting the rates, as the Fed funds curve shows, implying that Ethereum will rally as soon as the Fed stops hiking interest rates.
Down 14% over the past few days, and you're saying that the Fed funds curve is pricing in a very different message from what Fed Powell will have us believe. Break that down for us.
Yeah, so I haven't checked today, but as of yesterday, after the announcement and after he spoke, the Fed funds futures curve, which is the overnight lending rate, is pricing in 4 interest rate cuts. So the bond market has spoken. And the other indication is the 3-month T-bill, which is not a futures contract. it, in this rate cycle, has been trading above the discount rate set by the Fed.
With the Chappelle upgrade coupled with low inflation, Ethereum will rally, but can Ethereum rally to $3,000? Stick around to find. In the weeks preceding the Ethereum Shanghai upgrade, Ethereum experienced a bull run, which lasted for some time following the upgrade. Ethereum could not continue its positive momentum as the entire crypto market, led by Bitcoin, began to correct to lower price levels. Ethereum's price reached $2,138, breaking the $2,000 barrier for the first time since August 2022. Ethereum is trading at $1,946, down 8% in the last 2 days. In the daily period, Ethereum is retracing to retest the $1,848 support level. If the price remains above this level, Ethereum will continue to rally. If the price breaks this level, the next support level in the daily time frame is $1,716. Moving to the 4-hour time frame reveals that Ethereum is weak and may continue to fall as it attempts to form the inverse head and shoulders price pattern. The last time Ethereum reached $3,000 was in April 2022. It will take a lot of momentum and buying power from institutional investors for Ethereum to reach $3,000 this year. But Ethereum might reach $2,457 by Q4. Raoul Pal, a crypto expert and macro investor whose prediction has made many investors a fortune, has predicted the price of XRP. To take advantage of his predictions this time, check out the video analysis on Raoul Pal's opinion about XRP.